when we're messing around with Senate parliamentary procedures, when we are actually threatening, maybe cooler heads will prevail, threatening to go nuclear, threatening to overrule a ruling of the parliamentarian just to run a political errand for the fossil fuel industry to help it sell more gasoline, we're doing two really evil things at once. We are doing real damage to this institution that will be very hard to walk back from. And two, we are indulging an industry with a massive special interest and a massive conflict of interest that is simply out to sell more gasoline and that wants us to ignore the risk that its emissions are creating in the world.